We're proud to present this 1956 Ford Thunderbird. Well, we like to call it a one-owner car because the woman that has owned it since 1956 bought it when it was 2 months old. So given that it's 2014, I'd say close enough. And for most of that time, it was their daily driver. You can see it's a California black plate. It's been restored, but not really a full restoration. I mean, it basically has been kept in excellent condition mechanically and cosmetically because they continued to use it throughout the years. You can see the chrome and the trim is in very nice condition. I would say, you know, on a 1 through 10 scale, it's probably somewhere in the high 8s, not quite a 9 probably. But you can see everything is nice. And, you know, again, mechanically it's excellent as well. Again, you know, the trim, well, you know, some of the chrome and such is original. Very nice. Not perfect, but, you know, very nice. Some of it's been redone. Like the rear bumper has been redone. The front bumper may be original. But isn't that a sweet car? I love them, and I love the size of the 55, 6, and 7 T-Birds. I'll show you the engine compartment. Yeah, so the engine compartment is sanitary. Definitely not for show, but very straightforward. You can tell that it's been well maintained. And, you know, it's in nice condition. Okay, let's start it up. Starts in neutral. So the engine is, you know, just excellent. Mechanically, she's in great shape. Still cold. But very smooth running. I love the exhaust outlets from the bumper, but that's no longer being used. It's down in the rear. Anyway, terrific car. California black plate. Pretty much one owner, 56 T.